Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. I wasn't planning on Part 2. If you didn't watch Part 1, I've showed how to make this really kind of unusual. And somebody said, that little orange feather looking thing, how did you draw that? Really, really easy. And I'm going to go through, basically make the whole step. I've always taken two ellipses and I made a duplicate of it, hold down the control button. And I'm making a shape. Smart fill tool. Move it down. Well, I didn't mean to move it that far, but now you have that shape. Let's keep both of these in the picture. I don't know how far I did this. So I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm going to double click on the rotation and move that bullseye looking thing to the center. It's not there. I can see it. There we go. Now just rotate it. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D to your heart's content. I'm going to go ahead and group this together because of the fact that I can move it out of the way in just a second. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I need to reboot my computer. I've lost my color. I'm just going to make it this color. So 1, 2, 3, can't really do that one. Now what's so nice, I can move this out of the way and I have these. Now I'm going to left click, right click, and I just have those lines. I'm going to go ahead and weld them together so they'll become one piece. And then I'm going to make them thicker. Whoa, forgot how little it was. Let's make it a little bit less. Now, if you remember, well, we can always fill them back in. Let me change my nudge factor. We're only 2 inches. Let's go ahead and fill this in. And in the previous video, so that's how I drew it. I have to convert this to an object. That's the whole key. Now, I'm not going to show you how to draw this because this is in Part 1, but I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go get the attribute eyedropper, and I'm going to take a eyedropper test of that and go till you see that. Now you have to do is just move that over. Whoop. Move this over, and there is your object. Now, it's always going to look better with a black or blue background. Well, not look better, but stand out a little bit more. And that's how I drew it. And you could continue that around. You know, there's a lot you could do with this since it's all kind of welded together. You know, you don't have to stop at that. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. Move your center rotation in the node, and you know, you could go further. You need to have it something divisible by 360. Sometimes Corel does that. Control D, 120. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now let's look at this with a background. Don't ever be afraid to ask me a question. I love helping people. I love making videos. I mean, look at that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.